Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Geolin Travelogues. In today's video, we are going to explore some of the popular attractions in Sissu village, which includes the famous Sissu Waterfall, Sissu Lake and the Buddhist monastery known as Labrang Gompa, which is situated at an altitude of 10,000 feet. Sissu is a small town in Lahaul valley of Himachal Pradesh, located just only 40 km away from Manali on the right bank of Chandra River at an altitude of 3,120 meters above sea level. Sissu is no doubt a nice place to visit in any time of the year. The journey to this place is picturesque. The views are spectacular. No picture or word can do it justice. You have to be there to experience it. So if you are on a 2 to 3 day Manali trip, I will strongly recommend a day trip to this beautiful town. And on your way, make sure to grab a quick bite at this beautiful place, which is located just a few meters away from the south portal of the Atal Tunnel. Just look at this amazing view. The peace which you are longing for is somewhere on those mountains. So here we are everyone at the Atal Tunnel. Atal Tunnel is the world's longest highway single tube tunnel with a total length of 9.02 kilometers, located about 10,000 feet. Atal Tunnel is built under the Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh. The tunnel is 10.5 meters wide, and at every 25 meters there are evacuation lighting and exit signs. So Sissu Waterfall is just a 6 km away from the north portal of the Atal Tunnel. As you can see it on the board, Lake Kargil is on your left and the Rohtang Pass is on your right exit, which is just 27 km away from the north portal of the Atal Tunnel. Welcome to Lahaul Spiti Valley everyone, and be with us in this incredible journey till the end. Riding through this magnificent mountain range is a unique experience you will ever have. It makes you feel alive. It helps you to reconnect with yourself. Far away from bustling city life, you will be in awe of the natural beauty of the world. The feeling is indescribable. For me, the deep peacefulness and the stillness of the mountains is what inspire me the most. Have you ever been to such a mountainous region? If yes, please share some of your travel adventures in the comment section. Sissu Waterfall can only be reached via trekking. However, there are two ways to reach the base or the trekking point. So the first and the longest route is through this bridge. And from here it should take you around 50 to 60 minutes to reach the waterfall. And your second option is through Zipline, which you'll see in a minute. So once you cross the bridge, just follow this trail for 5 minutes and you'll find your way to the waterfall. Once you pass this Lahaul Spiti welcome gate, you will come across another signboard. From here, make an exit on your left and you will be on your destination in less than a minute. So here we are everybody at our zipline station, and before we start our trekking, let me just give you a quick tour around this beautiful place. And now it's time for some action. This is the easiest and fastest way to reach the other side of the river, and it's only cost $350 per person. For me, this was my first zipline experience and I absolutely loved it. To be honest, this trek was quite a challenging one for me. It took us around 30 to 40 minutes to reach the top. Although it seems like an easy one, but once you're on it, you will realize this is not what you think at all. So just take it easy, enjoy your time in nature, and the most important thing is don't forget to bring some water and keep yourself hydrated all the time. And after all the hard work, you will be rewarded with these breathtaking views. As there's a saying, the best view comes after the hardest climb. So here we are everyone, please enjoy the view. The views are stunning up here. You can pretty much see the entire village from here. That's the Sissu Lake and helipad we are heading next. And that is gonna be our last attraction of this trip. It's a Buddhist monastery known as Labrang Gompa. That's the bridge we saw earlier, which is located near the Sissu Hotel. And this is the Sissu Lake. It is the perfect spot to enjoy a relaxing evening by the water. You can enjoy a boating adventure or simply sit and watch the sunset behind the mountains. So here we are at our last viewpoint. This beautiful village also has Buddhist Gompa called Labrang Gompa, dedicated to Palden Lamo. So if you are in the town, then you should definitely visit this beautiful place. So that's it for today everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care everyone and see you on the next one.